demo, I'm going to showcase the latest capabilities of CyberCoder. CyberCoder is the autonomous coding agent released by BLACKBOX. So BLACKBOX is a coding assistant that's directly accessible inside your VS Code. So you might be working on any project. You have BLACKBOX that is already available here inside your VS Code. It has real-time web search. It has access to your entire repo if you want. But the latest capability that I want to show you today is the CyberCoder. So CyberCoder has the ability to build applications from scratch, has the ability to do multi-file edits, add features, remove features, make edits, find bugs and fix them inside your code, translate your code from one programming language to another, and many more capabilities. So today we're going to showcase how it's going to build an application from scratch. I'm going to ask it to build a clone for Linktree. Let's go. All right, so just as a quick heads up, we might face some slowdown, we might face some witnessing high demand. We launched on November 21st, so 4 days ago, and we're growing at a very fast pace, getting a lot of adoption from the developer community. So really sorry for the disruption that you may face during this video. So far so good. So as I'm showing here is CyberCoder is writing the entire application. So it's saying here, I'll help you build a Linktree clone, a simple web page that displays multiple links in vertical layout similar to Linktree functionality. Let me start by searching any relevant existing code. So first it would go through your workspace to see if you have already something that might be valuable. The features are profile picture, bio description, multiple styled links, social media icons, responsive design, and now it's starting to create the project structure. So as you can see here, great, the HTML has been created successfully. Now let's create the CSS with modern styling. So I didn't even say anything of all of that. It's understanding everything by itself. So this is how CyberCoder works. Once again, during this wait time, I'm just going to explain to you a bit more about BLACKBOX. We crossed 10 million users a few months ago, and we're growing at a really fast pace. I'm one of the co-founders, Robert. I'm here with Richard, our CTO, and Roger. We're three brothers, all engineers. We're making sure that developers around the world have access to the most advanced agents and assistants to transform the way they build code, build software, and ship products. So get access to it. You can download it inside your VS Code extension. You can download it inside JetBrains, any JetBrains IDE, and also you can use it on the browser. We have much more exciting releases coming in the coming days. So while BLACKBOX is thinking, just like any other engineer, we're going to be able to take a few seconds of pause here, and then we'll reconvene once BLACKBOX or CyberCoders continue working. So you see, as I told you here, we're hitting the witnessing high demand. Really sorry for that. We're scaling capacity in the coming, right now we're working through it. So we're scaling capacity. It should be addressed in the coming hours, but bear with us. It's definitely worth it. As you see, just by hitting retry, and you can see like the code is properly commented. Here, one exciting thing is it will test it in the browser for you, so it has computer use. It will be able to test it directly in the browser so that you avoid giving it feedback. And as you can see, boom! The UI looks clean. If you have GitHub profile, LinkedIn, Twitter, personal website, and contact me with the icons. We didn't say any of that. So it's definitely worth it to retry, even if we're hitting the capacity here. Uh, yeah, definitely just working through this. But if you want, like, we can go personally, give it a try here. Boom!